we're not making ranch. The next video will be ranch. So we're gonna do some pizza egg rolls. I know that sounds weird, but we're gonna do some pizza egg rolls. So I have a bowl here. I've got about a cup of pizza sauce. The recipe I found called for, I think, 2/3 of a cup, but you know, I'm not really one for following recipes exactly, so. And then we have about 2 cups of shredded mozzarella, just to add everything in. So that is what we're doing. I think assembling these egg rolls is gonna take forever, but you know, I'm starting it early. Now, in this little bowl here, I've got some cut up pepperoni and cut up green peppers. You can add whatever toppings you want. This is just what I have. And I'm gonna add in just a little bit of Italian seasoning. Not a ton. And I'm gonna mix it up. All right, now I've got these egg roll wrappers. I gotta get them open. So, is this just 1? Nope, that's 2. Okay, so it says to use about 3 loose tablespoons of filling and put it down below. I don't know if it'll be 3 loose tablespoons. It says you do not want to overfill, so we're gonna try not to overfill. It looks to be good. So we'll do this, and then this, and then this, and then I have water, a little bit of water that I'm gonna do that with, and that should be that. And so I'm just gonna keep doing this. It says it should make about 12. I don't know. And like I said, it said you do not want to overfill them. So I'm gonna try not to. And I'm also not gonna make everyone sit here and watch me do every single one of these because boring. But I'll do a couple more. I'll do like 1 more. And then it also did say to preheat your air fryer to, I think it said 380. And I believe, I'll go over this one more time, but I believe it said to cook these at 380 for about 6 minutes and then flip them and then cook them for another like 3 minutes, I think, roughly. And we will coat these in olive oil before I put them in the air fryer. So, yeah. All right, like I said, I'm just gonna kind of keep doing this, and yeah, I'll be back when I'm done. All right, I have the air fryer preheating to 380 right now, and I'm just gonna kind of smear some olive oil on these bad boys. This is one of those recipes that I have not tried before, and I really hope it turns out. We don't use our air fryer hardly at all, because we have an oven that does convection, and it's essentially the same thing, but the air flows around this kind of thing better in the air fryer. So we're gonna see how this goes. I don't know. Jonathan's not even home at the moment. But I'm just trying to get this done. Also, the sunset tonight is lovely. Let me, you all would like to see. Hold on. Oh, I don't know if I can turn it down. I can't turn the, it's quite nice tonight. Anyway, I'm gonna finish brushing the egg rolls over here. I'm gonna finish brushing these. I'm gonna do both sides. Alright, we're gonna do this in batches. 2 separate batches. So I'm gonna do 6 minutes on one side, I'll flip it, and then 2 minutes on the other. That's what it says. So, okay. That's what it looks like. You can't see. I'm doing a really good job of filming this. There you go. Alright, we're gonna do 6 minutes on one side. Alright, so they kind of exploded. I'm gonna turn these. I don't know how well that's gonna go, but they kind of exploded, which, you know, whatever. Oh, everything fell out of that one. Wow, these got messed. Oh gosh. All right, this is gonna be so messy, so freaking messy. Okay. Alright, Jonathan is not home. He's out helping a friend. So, I'm gonna tell you right now, they're crunchy. And these are very good. They leak, you know. But these are very good. It's like the perfect amount of sauce, the perfect amount of cheese, nice and melty. The egg roll wrapper. It's just like a crust. These are good. These are really, really good. I recommend them. I really do. I might record Jonathan trying them. I don't know when he's going to be home. So we'll find out, but I think they're great.